Hey guys, welcome to So Basic or welcome back. It's Irene. We are going to do an unboxing of this Grace and Stella I don't need anything, I just need cupping. Because this was another hand-me-down. My mom is like constantly... She's both like hoarding random things in the garage and she's constantly trying to get rid of things. Usually the things she's trying to get rid of are my sister's things, which is hilarious because my sister's like, those are my things. Stop giving them to my sister. And God love her, sometimes she just acquiesces just because it's like, forget it. A, she doesn't really care about the item, and or she just doesn't want to hear it from my mom. It's a very hilarious sort of dynamic. So I don't know what this is about. We are going to do an unboxing. As you can tell, the box is ripped. We're not going to judge it too much because, hold on. We're going to do an unboxing. This obviously, you know, is not coming straight out of a box. It's been opened already. It was gifted to my sister and then gifted to me against her will. I actually don't know what facial cupping is. I'm assuming it's similar to the cupping that I've seen done on the body. I will have to actually do some research. So first things first, we have a Grace and Stella instruction manual. English is like one little tiny page. And then they have instructions in many languages. These are the languages. I don't know if you guys can see them. We will start from this side. There we go. So those are the languages. It's a 7-piece set according to this manual, so we will investigate. So there's, there's this thingy, which seems like the main enchilada. So there is a cup of sorts, and this is the jojoba oil. I like that it's in its own little bubble wrap. Keep it from exploding and doing weird things. That's cute. Check that out. See that? And I've been wanting to add jojoba oil or any sort of facial oil back to the mix. My face tends to be more dry combination. I use a retinoid at night, every other day, though lately every day. So it leads to some sort of some dryness, so it's really important to have a nice barrier. Plus, I think jojoba has like some very good nutrient properties, which I can't remember at this moment, but I'm sure there are. This, what is this? Looks like a teardrop peach situation. Apparently, this is the silicone This is the free silicone pad you can use to apply the oil all over your face. Or you could use your fingers, so bonus. And then there's this doodad. I'll show it to you guys in relation to this looks like a science project, guys. So this is what it looks like. And okay. Okay, this is very exciting. Then we got a little baby guy. So just to show you the relationship to the other one. Then we got another guy, so that's a step above, size above. Or actually, no, these are the two ones. I wonder, because I think you're supposed to put it on your face and kind of press and release. My face is not good right now, so I don't want to do that. They said don't use it on face with it's broken out or has any injuries or it looks like two of the same ones. And then these are two of the same ones. That's this guy. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. We've got oil, so that's 6. We've got our silicone pad, that's 7. So that's the 7 items of the set. It also comes with this nifty little bag. Those cups and the silicone So basically it's just like, leave a review using the QCR code, which I'm covering, and then I think if you do the QCR code, you get a free gift. But it's expires 30 days after your order is delivered, and this was a gift to my sister. I don't even know if they got it delivered, so I have no idea if that special gift is still a thing. I will check it out for you guys and let you know what the special gift is, if it still applies. Okay, so that's pretty much it in terms of what's in this Grace and Stella face cupping set. I'm broken out a little bit. We had a couple of we had like a hot week, and then there was like a whole week where I couldn't sleep. And I literally mean couldn't and not didn't, because between the heat and the construction in the apartment next door, like literally they would come they would literally come at the butt crack of dawn, and then sporadically, so I couldn't figure out when they were going to come. Sometimes they wouldn't come for a couple days, and then they would show up at 7:30, or they would come at 12:30. It's just all over the place, and basically it kind of leaves your nervous system like a wreck. I would love to say that it didn't bother me and I could just proceed and, be neutral about it, but the walls are super thin. Just to give you an example of how thin the walls are, I can hear when my neighbor is microwaving. That little buzz when someone's microwaving, I can hear that from my apartment. I can hear when the ding goes off when the microwave is done. When my neighbor downstairs wakes up, I can hear her walking around her apartment. So it is just untenable. I have used earplugs. I need to go buy the silicone ones. I just have like the regular styrofoam ones. And let me just tell you, it's been rough. Because actually not sleeping is a form of torture. That's what they actually used to do. They used to, anyways, we're digressing. We're not talking about torture and sleep depression. Anyways, so I broke out. It was a heat wave. I didn't sleep a lot. I broke out. And they said not to do this, obviously, when you're broken out. So I'm going to wait, let my face clear up, and then we will give this a try. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever done face cupping. Do you know what the heck it is? Did you do body cupping? Do you know what that is? And then if you have any advice about how to make this, like how to do this well, any tips and tricks, because sometimes you have to use it in order to really understand it. Like you could have instructions in a box, but unless you use it, it probably won't help. And I think it also depends on each user. Every skin type's different, every body's different. So let me know if you've used the facial cupping situation, if it's helped you, if it's hurt you, any advice on how to use it best or do it well, because I'm like clueless. Like I kind of have an idea, like I'm imagining I just like stick this, but it's your face skin and it tends to be a little bit more sensitive than body, so I don't know. I'm really tired, so I'm starting to babble, so that means I need to get off. I'm gonna do like a full pan of all this stuff so you guys can take a full look at what's going on. And then, yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do like a follow-up or like a review series on this particular product. This is just the unboxing of like sort of how it looks after week 1, how it looks after week 2, how it looks after, long-term use, things of that nature. Let me know if that's of interest, and if that is, once my skin clears up, I will do that. I mean, I'm gonna give it a try anyways, but you know how it is, like, unless you're like dedicated to your skin regimen, sometimes you just fall off on it, and it's hard to really tell if you've actually gotten like the maximum usage of it, or you've done it properly. I don't know if that makes sense. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your likes, shares, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or any advice or suggestions, or just like, what is this? I don't know what it is. I'm gonna find out. Let me know if you want me to find out. Let me know if you want me to find out and make a video about it. But either way, thanks for tuning in.